take it however you want to with a grain of salt,
Also,
whatever.
link in the description down below.
Link is also in the description. Western diet could impact gut inflammation, leading to chronic conditions. Chronic conditions are on the rise and frequently involve metabolism and the immune system. The gut microbiome plays a role in both and potentially plays a causative role in the development of some of these conditions. It is also a potential therapeutic target. The Western diet, though poorly characterized, could play a role in the disruption of the microbiome, but exactly how it may do that is not entirely understood. Researchers have reviewed the evidence around certain dietary patterns and the effect it has on certain bacteria found in the gut, and their roles and specific mechanisms in the human body. A recent review has highlighted the effects of Western diet on the microbiome and the subsequent effect of dysregulation of the microbiome. When the microbiome populations in the body become unbalanced, on the risk of developing chronic conditions. What exactly is a Western diet? A Western diet is described as features excessive amounts of saturated fats, refined grains, sugar, alcohol, processed and red meat, conventionally raised animal products, high-fat dairy products, and salt. High amounts of ultra-processed foods and drinks are also characteristics of the Western diet, according to review authors. How diet impacts gut lining.
Cooking it.
Crazy word.
It's just cooking it. But you know what's crazy?
Mm.
You know how they have probiotic yogurt?
Yeah, how does that work?
How does that work if you cook it? That means you kill all the probiotics. Therefore, there is no probiotic in probiotic yogurt.
Wait. Say that again.
Probiotic yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to be good bacteria that helps the gut, all that stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But if you cook your yogurt, how is there probiotics in the yogurt?
Oh, like you're actually...
Are you consuming any probiotics?
I feel that, right. It's
At
right,
all?
because you're actually like heating the
because it's especially Greek
it's
yogurt.
cultured, not cultured. It's cured or something like
especially Greek yogurt, because the only difference between regular yogurt and Greek is Greek they cook it extra longer.
Right.
So that's why it has that pungent taste.
Like the slow heat.
Yes.
It's almost fermented, almost rancid.
So you're consuming dead probiotics that's not helping your gut, which is why you still probably and then they're like, oh, if it's yogurt and it's probiotics, why am I still going to the bathroom? Because technically it's cow's milk that you're not supposed to be consuming.
I feel that.
That's like a double-edged sword right there.
That makes sense.
Come on, man.
Come
on, man. That doesn't make any sense.
Obesity. Oh, okay, diet. How diet influences IBS or inflammatory bowel disease.
Mm-hmm.
That's just linked to like fast food.
Yeah, they can read all that
right
at their discretion.
Mm-hmm.
It's just showing you guys that this is the link that
right. It also affects your brain health, so it makes you stupid and
there's a lot of information.
Right.
There's a lot of information on here that you guys can look up. Like I said, we put the link in the description down below. That's just if you are concerned or you want to find out more about the information that we're talking about today. And again, like we're not pulling out our it's right there and it'll kind of show you, but it really does go to show you like the process that everybody is going through. And then also we have
what happened to Velveeta? Why my naturals?
My nachos don't taste like the old days. Well, you know what, Trey? I'm so happy you to admit to this because I keep seeing people making quesos. They're still using Velveeta, and in the back of my mind, I'm just thinking, I know it doesn't taste good, and nobody should be buying.
It looked like a block of plastic.
Look at the new packaging. It's the
like
same
rubbery.
drip inside, new drip outside. Well, you know what?
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Was a lie. That's awesome.
Daily Dot even wrote an article about it. Do whatever tastes right. It's just wrong. Like it's literally.
That's spooky, right?
That's
subliminal. Subliminal advertising. It's like technically
what it is. The older Velveeta, it never contained any oil. It actually contained cream. What we have now is oil. Canola.
Yeah.
You know why?
Oil.
Because they wanted to make it shelf stable. Because we
Shelf
put it in
stable.
we don't put it in the refrigerator.
It used to be refrigerated.
Yes.
I remember because when I used to work at Publix.
No, it's still refrigerated.
Oh, they have a refrigerated.
It comes on our dairy truck.
Well, no, because there's a shelf one. Go ahead.
It comes on our dairy truck, and we put it on the shelf. so it can become shelf stable.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, yeah. It's not. I remember when Dixie always left theirs in the
They
refrigerator.
always left theirs,
but it was still the same process. Change canola oil, but for
because that hole used to melt,
Mhm.
dog.
yeah.
You used to just throw it on whatever.
Remember the Velveeta commercials?
Right? Was it liquid gold?
Yeah, liquid gold. Yeah.
We used to do like crock pots.
Uh-huh.
What was it? The fondue.
Uh huh.
Like that shit used to melt. Now it's just like a block of yellow rubber or
Uh-huh.
some shit like that. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
And but then that's the thing. It's because they wanted to be shelf stable. They changed the ingredients. They can't put cream because it's going to expire
It's
faster
gonna expire.
if they put cream.
And they
Because
save money, Jeff. They don't have to deal with cows. You don't got to pay farmers to make more cows.
Yeah.
You can pay them to make more soybeans.
yeah.
Replace,
With
bro. Do you realize they're gonna replace every animal with a bean?
That's
Every
wild.
byproduct of animals will be replaced with
That's wild.
a bean.
That's wild.
Plant meat, plant milk, plant ice cream.
Mm-hmm. Well, you had some the cashew milk.
Right, but that's the only thing we can eat. That's how they did it. That's how they did it. That's how they did it.
So delicious.
Yo, that's how they did it.
So delicious uses almond milk,
That's how
oat
they did
milk,
it. They're
and
like,
cashew
no
milk.
one's gonna eat this crap we create.
Yeah.
Well, not if they can't eat it.
Yeah, exactly.
Not if their body can't eat it.
That's true. That's true.
Spooky shit.
That's true.
Everyone's just gonna be eating beans. Oh, that's crazy. We're gonna be eating beans, bro.
I just need a pill that has all the nutritional value for my body daily in it, and then we go from there.
Spooky word.
But that's also another page. You want to shout out the page?
Oh yeah, who's the
What's it called? OGDs. O_G_Ds.
What else did they change?
On TikTok.
What else do you remember that they changed? I can't eat this crap anymore, so I won't know the difference.
I don't even know Manwich or Hamburger Helper either. Like the ice gum does taste like chemicals now.
This?
No, ice gum.
What the fuck?
Go up, scroll up. Ice cube gum. It tastes like chemicals.
Everything tastes like chemical, bro. This tastes like They actually used to be soft chewed and bakey and stuff.
Yeah. So if you guys want to check out that page, it'll basically tell you every product that was changed, what ingredients.
These should break in the can.
Same thing with Ritz.
Yeah. Oh, Ritz crackers. Oh, do they have a Ritz video? Does she have a Ritz video?
I don't know, but remember when you were able to use to take the Ritz out with one of your thumbs through the plastic?
Mhm.
Now it just crumbles.
Dust.
Yep.
What the fuck? Dust.
Oh man.
No, I gotta think, cause I don't know, cause I can't eat. I haven't eaten anything worthy in the past like decade. I don't know.
Snot says, weren't y'all saying a few minutes ago about how nothing else drinks milk but humans? So why is finding an alternative a problem? Laugh out loud.
Right.
Because you said beans.
No. I know. Like, I understand that. Right. No other human.
It's not a problem.
No, it's not a problem.
Yeah, like, but soy's not good for you.
Right. That's not good for you.
That's not good for you either. Yeah, but soy's not good for you. So
that's not good for you.
Like you don't have to delete a whole bunch of animals to get some soy products.
Right. You could use milk to make things, but like just consume it.
You what?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. But that's just me. That's just like, I'm not telling you should or shouldn't. I'm just saying, like,
Do it at your own discretion.
right.
Yeah.
Notice how we're the only ones who deal with the effects of drinking milk
Mm-hmm.
our entire lives.
Yep. So we changed, and it's like, oh, I'm not going to the bathroom.
Even the cow don't drink its own milk.
Man.
I don't know. Like, this is just, I don't know. I'm not trying to dive into some, you know what I'm saying?
Conspiracy theories.
Right.
But no, yeah, man, we can jump
I'm
into
just
some.
like, everything is just anecdotal. A lot of
Yeah.
the things I was able
Yeah,
to
everything we're
consume.
talking about, yeah,
Right.
everything that we looked up is anecdotal, but we can talk about. I mean, I remember the good shit about it when we were kids.
Right.
Yeah, like a banana. What is it called? Banana.
All I did was just eat normal shit, eat normal school lunch. I ate what they told me to eat. I ate what they told me to eat. Yeah, that's facts.
Mhm.
I love that. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I ate what they told me to eat.
Mm-hmm.
and I'm punished. I'm suffering the consequences. I can't even have ice cream, bro. I can't even have a hamburger. I can't have a hot dog. I can't have pizza. Can't have steak.
Yeah, you got it worse than I do. Like I can't have
anything.
Cheese just makes me go to the bathroom. For you,
Like I can't even
even bread.
indulge. I can't even have bread.
Yeah, even the dough that
Nothing
the
with
pizza dough.
bread. Anything that's dough.
See, that's why
Anything with yeast. I can't even have beer. I can't have alcohol.
Hmm.
I used to drink like a madman.
You what?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't have anything. I can't have anything.
We can switch.
I'm essentially just a plant.
Mm-hmm.
I just consume
Photosynthesis.
right water and eat other plants. I'm a Venus flytrap. What the fuck?
Oh man,
That's crazy.
you want to transition back?
Oh yeah, let's transition.
Yeah, but yeah. Well, I mean, we can take off this morbid conversation. What were the good things back in the day that, even though we didn't know they were bad for us?
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you remember the chocolate fries?
Bro,
I wonder how you got potatoes to stay chocolate and then deep fry that motherfucker. What? How do you mix chocolate and potatoes
by
and
Ore-Ida
then
too,
deep fry it?
and then they would put it with ketchup, bro. That was so weird.
No, I didn't eat that big guy with chocolate syrup.
Yeah, that's
It
what
was
I'm
like a
saying.
dessert fry.
It was, but then they also had the purple fries too, but those were regular ones.
Man, they had a whole bunch of bullshit. They was just mixing chemicals. What? It was Professor Utonium in that motherfucker.
Oh yeah, he was messing with all the chemicals,
What the hell?
bro. But no, it was remember your banana twins?
Oh, banana twins. Oh, my banana twins. I used to love those. I made love to banana twins. I split the middle and licked straight up and down
You
that
what?
motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
No, I
used
did
to-
the same thing too. They were delicious.
I used to love them banana twins.
That cream
what
was
the fuck?
cream was really good.
It's my favorite thing.
Yeah, bro. But
I miss banana twins.
yeah, man.
When they gonna
Maybe we can.
Well, no, because they're gonna bring it back like on a fucked up recipe.
Oh,
like
yeah,
they
yeah,
did
yeah.
with the
Yeah, you're
Twinkies
right.
and shit. Bro.
Yeah, you're right. Never mind. Because I was gonna be like, maybe we can hit up Little Diabetes and see if they can bring it back, but that's not gonna happen. You know, they're just like you said, they're gonna chemicalize it and then make you pay.
Chemical X.
Yeah,
And us.
it's just like what they did with the Twinkies.